Welcome. Today, we're detailing the revolutionary architecture of our latest jet, specifically focusing on the improved wing structure and hydraulic systems.
Hold the lift. Moving forward, slowly. Roger that. Forward. Watch the clearance on the left. All clear. Lowering now.
Dimensions checked and verified. Component looks to be within specifications.
Keep the pace up, team. Move that section forward. Check the alignment on frame 16.
We need to adjust the angle here.
Understood. Let me cross-reference the schematics. This affects the weight distribution.
I agree, we need to optimize for stability.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment. Hold it. Hold it, hold it. Good. Drop it steady. Securing now. Clear the area. The TMO's work has been meticulous. The coating readiness is right on spec. This batch is cleared.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before we secure this.
Got it?
Good. Now check the torque.
Hold the line. Stop. Easy, easy. Steady on 3. Looks good. Lower just a bit. Perfect. Lock it in.
Verify all connections.
Confirmed.
Proceed with installation.
Torque tool ready. Check clearance on the left side. Looks good. Tighten it down. Verified secure. Next bolt. Okay, moving to the radiator bracket.
The system integration is now 90% complete.
Almost there, Maria.
And success, milestone achieved.
With both engines in place, the aircraft is one step closer to becoming a machine of flight.
Looks good on the top. Yeah. And the bottom's locked in. Check the diagram, it's perfect.
Initiating system checks.
Parameters nominal.
All systems verified.
All right, slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Yep. Checking the levels, looking good. Just a little more. Yep. Seats confirmed, locks engaged. Move on to systems checks. Okay, slowly down. Left. Left, a bit left.
Left.
Coming down.
Got it.
Got it, secure it. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance.
Looking good.
Looking good. Lower slightly. Readings are stable.
Scan initiating. Data holding steady. Confirmed, within tolerances. Torque is holding.
Yeah. Checking mine now. Just a little more.
Verified.
Verified.
Looks good. Let's send it.
The airframe now has a face and a mind. Next, it will earn its skin.
Keep it steady, Bill. Copy that, Bob. Almost there. Just a little higher. Okay, it's locked. Perfect fit.
Precision check complete. Sensor reading steady. Copy that. Ready for power up.
Okay, let's verify this harness. Point 4. Checks out. Proceeding.
Line it up with the bracket, Bob. Hold it steady, I'll secure it.
Setting the pressure now. Looks stable.
Copy that, no leaks here.
Verified. Critical systems check complete. Green laser is locked.
Engage the lateral clamps.
Verified. The panel is secure.
Inside, it is complete. Now, the aircraft begins to take its final form.
Hold tension on the crane. Steady, steady, lower slightly, right side. Check alignment front. Slow down, almost there. Good contact, tapping it in. Looks secure.
The stitching must be perfect. Each seam tells a story of craftsmanship.
Line up the panel carefully, watch the edges. Ready to rivet on your mark. Secure it now. Panel fits perfectly. Keep it steady.
The readings are good here. Let me just confirm with a visual sweep. Affirmative, looks clean.
The primary skin is complete. She looks ready for coating. Let's bring her in. Engage chamber heating protocols. Monitor temperature and humidity. Do not open until process is complete.
The aircraft has found its true form, dark, angular, and nearly invisible to the eyes that hunt it.
Keep it steady. Watch the wingtips. Affirmative. Slowing down. All right, hold that steady. Got it. Perfect. Just need to seat this wire. Looks good. And got it.
All right, this static wick is secure. Check. Antenna fairing is good to go. Verified.
Tightening this bolt should secure the main gear. Yeah, right. Just one final check on the linkages. Yeah. Looks like it's holding. Operation successful.
All right, check the fuel manifold pressure here, Maria.
Got it. Looks within spec on my end.
Perfect. Let's move on to the landing gear.
Manager, what's the next? Probably gonna shove it. Diagnostics complete. Systems check. Green. Batch cleared for final sign-off. Outstanding work, team.
Initiating aileron sweep, full down. Aileron movement confirmed, smooth travel. Data acquisition stable.
Engine parameters stabilizing at 90% N2. Oil pressure steady. Requesting permission to proceed to max thrust.
Initiating cycle. Doors closing now. Seal check, confirming pressure, looks good. Reopening for final verification.
Keep it steady. Coming through now. Clear on the left. Watch the cables. Slow and easy, team. We're almost in. Slow back. Slow back. Slow back. Contact. Pins in. Confirmed. Secured.
Keep it steady. Move us out onto the line. Roger. Maintaining speed.
Tow bar disconnected. Clear to pushback.
We did it, team. Thank you.
To the next flight.
Cheers to us.
It has never flown, but already it looks like it belongs in the sky.
Ground crew, checks complete, everything clear. Affirmative, pilot, ready for pushback.
All right, straps are secure.
Good.
Good, let's lock this final one in.
Checking my adjustments, thanks.
You are clear to taxi.
Copy. Taxiing now.